G'day all you off-gridders and homesteaders out there. Today I have a secret recipe for cleaning the glass on your heater, on your wood heater. This really works and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, and you won't believe the results and how easy it is to do. Catch us all. Cheers. Stay warm. You can see that soot there. It's thick. You can see the glass here. If I put my hand behind it, it's totally black. Okay, now I'm going to clean it in a short time. You've got massive soot build up. You can't see through the glass, but I found a way to do it really well. This is about cleaning windows of the stoves. Now, you can see that. You can see that soot there. It's thick. You can see the glass here. You can see a tiny little bit through it, but that's all. Okay, now I'm going to clean it in a short time. So the number one tool is something similar to this from a $2 shop, a paint scraper. That's to get the real thick heavy stuff off. It works well, doesn't scratch the glass. Stage one. It's pretty bloody disgusting. And as I say, this is because I lock the stove down at night and it sits there and smoulders. I'm burning Australian eucalyptus. Scrape that off like that. And now, watch this. Accessory number two, which you may not need, is just a stainless steel scour pad. Accessory number three, very expensive secret ingredient, which I will disclose after I show you how well it works. So, secret ingredient, 2 inches in a little container. Secret ingredient, secret rag. Of course, you don't do this while the stove's hot, because you'll crack the glass when you put the liquid on it. You can do it when the stove's warm with a damp rag. Now, I don't know if you can see it there, but the glass that hasn't got a lot of deep coated stuff on is clean already. Look at that compared to what I showed you before. You can see my hand through it. But we still have a lot here and a lot here, a lot here. There's two things about cleaning that I've discovered cleaning all things. There's two secret ingredients. One is elbow grease, but the other one that people don't talk about a lot is time. Give the chemicals a time to work. You can use heaps of elbow grease, or you can go away, have a cup of tea, come back, and it'll just come off real easy. I'll just give the scraper another go on the harder bits here. Okay, given that a liberal coating, I'll go away for 5 minutes and come back and see what happens. It's pretty well stuck on this stuff, so I'm using a scouring pad gently with the aid of the secret chemical, and it's just ripping it off. Good. Still got a bit of bad stuff here and up here, but in the window, in the middle, she's almost crystal. Almost. Get the scraper again. Look at that, it's pouring off now. Look at that. A little bit of a secret chemical, and she's just falling away. Another odd thing about these Kenara heaters, which I just don't understand, because I've had other stoves and I never have to empty the ash out on it. Look at that down there, it's just coming off great. I never have to empty the ash. Maybe once every 3 months. I guarantee, because I've done this before, without this secret chemical, this just wouldn't happen. You'd almost have to get a chisel. Almost got to get a chisel and chip away at the soot on the inside the window. Have a look at that. Now I've only been fiddling here a little bit, so it's taken me, in real time, it's taken me about 10 minutes. A little bit up in the corner there. I might not even worry about it being off-grid myself. I'm only an old bloke living up in the bush. God, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. Now, if I wanted to sit here for another 5 minutes, I could get that absolutely 100%. But to me, there's a few spots here, there and there. I could get rid of all them in a couple of minutes. But you can see there you go. You can see that. You can see through it. That's beautiful. Rightio, now for the secret ingredient. The secret ingredient which will cost you a bloody fortune. Here it is. The secret ingredient. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Vinegar. Cheap vinegar from Aldi's. You can probably use organic cider vinegar if you wanted to, but cheap vinegar from Aldi's. Magnificent stuff. Check it out. But it is a problem. I've tried terps, I've tried lots of other chemicals. None of them work. Vinegar just doesn't. Cheers, folks. Have a good one wherever you are. It's pissing down rain up here 2 days in the cabin. Getting bored. See yous. It's been raining all day. You can probably hear it on the roof there. It hasn't stopped. If I was down in the flat country, I'll be building a bloody ark to get away on because it'll be flooded for sure. How you going, fellas? Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, give us a share, subscribe. YouTube doesn't take you seriously unless you've got 1,000 subscribers. I've got a miserable 119 subscribers. Chuck yours on there, please. Try and help me get up to 1,000. I know it's a big ask. Catch us. Have a good day wherever you are. It's pissing down up here, mate. It's pissing down. It's cold and snow predicted. Catch us.